What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you and I'm going to show you how to put to work a trading bot. It's something very simple and I realize that every time that I do a video of this I don't say it, but it's something truly very simple. So how do we actually do this? You can see in my videos that what I do is that I come here and I test, do a test and yeah, whatever. But how do I put to work the bot in a demo or real account? First of all, you need to have this activated. You come here to Tools, Options, and here on Expert Advisors, you have to make sure that here, this Allow Algorithmic Trading is ticked. So you have to check that this is ticked. If not, it won't work. Like maybe the bot is here, but you won't see any operations open. So you have to do this. You have to allow the algorithmic trading. Once you've done this, it's very simple. So for example, here in this navigator page, you can see that we have here all the compiled bots. So for example, here I can take the index boom bot, double click, accept, and that's it. You can see that now this appears. This means that this bot is working here. And in fact, if you come here to experts, you're going to see the messages that the bot put, for example. But yeah, one important thing that I have to tell you is that, for example, you can see that now this is blue, but it can happen that it looks gray. And what does it mean? It means that the MetaTrader 5 is not allowing the bot to perform operations. So in order to fix that, what you have to do is to come here to Options and activate the algorithmic trading. It's that simple, only that. So yeah guys, that's everything that I wanted to tell you. The video is very short, but that's how you put it in a real account or a demo account. Of course, you have to be logged in an account, but that's a different story. But yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, I hope you understood it, and if so, give it a like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one.